My weekend activities, I'm going to show you guys how to replace a door lock module on a 2004 Golf. So first you're going to start by taking out the 3 T20 screws underneath the door panel. Then you remove this inner door trim by pushing it this way. It removes like that, and then you'll be able to take this out and remove this by pulling up. And then on this clip there is this tab, push that in and pull this out. Remove the 3 Phillips. There's also a T20 up here, but mine doesn't have it, so take that one out. And the rest is just clips if your car has them. Just pop them out by going around the door. Remove all the cables and the door cables.